in your face, smile in your heart for 10 seconds. Repeat this. Okay? How many of you are eagerly interested to experiment with your mind? Now the quality should be improved. Double quality you wanted to improve 10 times. Now you just see. What you need to do is 3 things. Be with your breath. Relax eyes and relax forehead, relax stomach and relax body. And smile. Smile in your face, smile in your heart, smiling positive vibrations throughout your body and radiating the smiling positive vibrations to the group and to the whole universe. These 3 things only. Breath, incoming and outgoing breath, relaxing body, smiling vibrations. Okay? Repeat this with also sir will be adding the Rama's energies through the music and song. That energies also will be definitely helpful for you. Just use the energies also will be helping to you. Just the positive, maintain the positive smiling vibrations, it will help. So everybody close your eyes, clasp your hands and cross your legs and start observing the breath. Relax your body and smile. Over to Pipala sir.